Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload files to Google Drive. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Google Drive. You need to download and click on open. So once you are here, you simply need to click on this plus new, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on upload and you need to select files from your smartphone. So I'm going to select this picture for example, and now it is here. You can see that it is now uploaded. So I need to refresh. So here you can see that one file uploaded in the notification. Here you can see that. So this is the process how you can upload file to Google Drive. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.